स्टार्ट करते आज हमारा वीडियो जो कि है हमारे बैंकिंग के ऊपर। किसके ऊपर? बैंकिंग। बैंकिंग में जो हम चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे वो होगा रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट पे। इसमें होगा रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट। रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट का मतलब क्या होता है? जो हम हर मंथ बैंक को डिपॉजिट करते रहते हैं हर मंथ। जैसे कि मैं आई एम डिपॉजिटिंग ₹1000 इन अ बैंक ऑन अ मंथली बेसिस एंड द बैंक विल प्रोवाइड मी इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट मनी. So how the interest will be calculated on that and how bank will calculate interest, we will try to understand that. Suppose I have deposited ₹10,000. Principal means ₹1000 I have deposited each month. For how many months I have deposited? Suppose 12 months. So n is equal to number of months means 12 months, or I can say 1 year, P is the amount deposited, that is ₹1000, and n means for how many months I have deposited the money. Suppose 12 months or 1 year. Now rate. What will be the rate of interest calculated at which the consumer or the person will earn the money? Suppose it will be 10% per annum. So the formula will be, to calculate the interest, is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Initially, in case of calculating interest, we used to do I is equal to P into R into T by 100. But here, in case of recurring deposit, a system of calculation is totally different. How? Money deposited is same, suppose P, but how rate by 100 is also same, but how this n plus 1 by 2 into 12 came? Suppose I am depositing ₹1000 each month. So what I will write? Suppose here I am saying 1000 for 1 month, second case 1000 for the second month, again 1000 for the third term. See, the principle is same but the time is different. So instead of writing this, I can take P common. Suppose here it is 1000 common, and I can write 1 plus 2 plus 3, and I am depositing it for 12 months, so I can write this also. Okay, so what is this? 1 plus 2 plus 3, these are all natural numbers. To calculate the natural numbers, there is a different formula, that is n plus 1 by 12. n plus 1 by 2, sorry, 2, it will be 2. n plus 1 by 2, it is a calculation of natural number, sum of natural number, to calculate sum of natural number. So n plus 1 by 2, so n here means 12 obviously. So what will be the formula? 12 plus 1 by 2. So here it is a concept P into n plus 1 by 2. Now how this 12 came? 12, since the rate of interest is always calculated at per annum, it will be given in book 12% per annum, 10% per annum. So per annum means yearly, 12 months. In a year there are 12 months. So that taking 12 months, we have to calculate per month, because the bank will charge the interest on the basis of month, not on the basis of the year. So it will be 12. So the formula is derived that P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. And here we will put the values. P is equal to 1000, n means 12, already mentioned, 12 plus 1 by 2 into 12, R here is 10 by 100. So we can say 1000 into 12 into 13, 12 plus 1 13, 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. You must have simple calculations to get easily the answer. So 100, you can cut this 12 and 2 from here, 5 50, 13 5 6 50, 650 rupees. So interest is equal to 650. So you will get rupees 650. Now what will be the maturity amount? Maturity amount means after depositing rupees 1000 for 12 months, what you will get at the end of the year. You will get at the end of the year principal into n plus I. Why p into n? P into n means you have deposited rupees 1000 for 12 months, that's why p into n plus interest. So rupees 1000 into 12 plus interest, we have got 650. So rupees 12,000 plus 650, that will be rupees 12650. I hope you understand that. Once again I am saying you, banking is a recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit account is an account in which the person deposits money on a monthly basis and gets the interest after the end of the year, but it should be calculated on a monthly basis. So what will be the formula? Suppose I have deposited rupees 1000 on every month or each month. N is equals to 12 months, that is a year. If there is 3 years, you can write 36 months, 12 into 3, and rate is 10% per annum. How the formula came for calculation of the interest? P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. P is the monthly deposited, r means the rate of interest, and n plus 1 by 2 means the sum of the calculation of the natural number, since there are 12 months. So n plus 1 by 2, 12 plus 1 by 2, here it is, and by 2, why there is 12. It is a calculation of the rate of interest on a monthly basis, because always in a question there it is written per annum, rate of interest per annum. So to make it easy calculation, the formula is p into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. We have calculated this. Again, the calculation of maturity amount. What will be the maturity amount at the end of the year? P into n means the monthly deposited every month plus interest. So 1000 into 12 plus 650, and here we got the answer 12650. I hope you understand the sum.